Hello and welcome guys. In this video session, we are going to see how to generate QR code in our Blazor application. In my previous session, I saw how to generate barcode in Blazor application. If you missed that session, I will give the link on I button. Please check it out. Guys, every day I am uploading some video regarding Blazor and other Microsoft programming languages. If you are interested in Blazor and other Microsoft programming languages, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. For today's session, we are going to use syncfusion.blazor NuGet package. I already created a Blazor server application where I am going to give input here and I want to generate the QR code. So let's add the NuGet package syncfusion.blazor and check how to print the QR code. Stop the application from running. Right click on the project, manage NuGet packages. In the browse section, search syncfusion.blazor. Install the first one, the 18.3.0.41 or the latest stable version. Click on accept. It will take few seconds to install the NuGet package. Okay, our NuGet package has been installed successfully. Save the project, close the NuGet package window. Now go to our startup.cs class. Here we need to add one more service, it is service.add syncfusion Blazor. Done. Next thing, I am going to print the QR code inside my index.blazor page. So here are using syncfusion.blazor.qr. Okay, that barcode generator. Okay, next here I created one model and using this model I created one edit form and the model properties is QR input value. So here after the edit form I'm giving a separator here and I want to show my QR code. So to show the QR code we need to use syncfusion QR code generator, or you can say SF QR code generator. So here you can see the value. So value will be, I'm giving this data model dot QR input value, this properties. Before that I'm going to validate this one. If it is not null or not blank, then it will generate. So if equal to not null and not equal to blank, then it will generate the QR code. Right? Everything is done and set up. Let's run the application. While it get loading or it get run, meanwhile you can subscribe to my channel so that you cannot miss my future updates. you can give me suggestion what you want to know about Microsoft programming languages. So I'm giving here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 generate QR code. So you can see this QR code has been generated. You can change this QR code design also. So how you can change the design? Stop the application. Here you can see background color equal to, I'm giving red. Now run the application. Guys, Syncfusion is giving a paid service. So be check about this. After completing this video, I will give this source code inside my blog and I will give the link on the comment box. You can check it out. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 or 0. So you can see the background color. So same thing you can see for color I am giving, let's say, yellow, right? Run the application. Let's give some other value. Let's say I'm giving YouTube, generate QR code. So you can see the whole color is yellow, the background color is red. In this way we can generate QR code in our Blazor application. Guys, I hope you like my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and never forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.